Second point of this chapter is inverse of a matrix. There are two types. In the last lecture we have seen inverse of a matrix by elementary transformation method, and today we are going to look inverse of a matrix by adjoint method. So for this we must know what are minor and cofactor of an element. So let's check what are these 2 points through this example. Now first we will find the minor and cofactor of this first element. So we will write here A11 is equal to 1. Now minor of the element Aij is always denoted by the letter capital M by the name itself, and write down suffix here Mij. And cofactor of the element Aij always denoted by the letter capital A, and here write down suffix Aij. So its formula is -1 raised to add these two suffix I plus j and write down minor of this same element. So first we will write minor of this, which is m. Write down this 1 1, that is equal to is the determinant obtained by deleting the row and column in which this element lies. So 1 lies in this first row and this first column. So I'll delete that and then write down this determinant 5. And now simplify this. So we have, and 8 6 are 48, and that is equal to -3. Now cofactor of this element is denoted by capital A11. Its formula we know, -1 raised to add these two suffix 1 plus 1 and here write down M11. Now -1 raised to this 2 means even number, so this value is +1, so I am not writing, and so write down this as -3. Now let's find the minor and cofactor of this element. Now this element means A21, that is equal to 4. We will denote minor by M21, and that is equal to, this is the determinant obtained by deleting row and column in this 4 lies. So what is remaining now? So here -2 3, and here downside -8 9. Now simplify. So this is -18 and +24, and so again this is equal to 6. And now A21, this cofactor, so formula -1 raised to add up these two, 2 plus 1, and here M21. Now if this number is odd, 2 plus 1 is 3, then for this write down minus sign, and M21 is 6. Now let's find the minor and cofactor of this element. Now this element is A32, that is equal to -8. So we will write here minor M32, that is equal to determinant obtained by deleting row and column in which this -8 lies. So 1 4 3 -6. So 1 4 3 -6. Now simplify. So -6, and so that is equal to -18. And now find cofactor. A32 is equal to, write down formula, -1 raised to 3 plus 2, and here M32. Now what I told, if this is odd number, then write down for minus sign for this. So M32 is -18, and so that is equal to +18. After minor and cofactor, we have to write the adjoint of a square matrix, and it is defined as the transpose of the cofactor matrix. Now in the last example we have seen that the cofactors are denoted by the letter A11, A12, A13 and so on. So cofactor matrix denoted by Aij of 3 by 3. So here first element A11, then A12, A13 and so on. This is cofactor matrix and its transpose is given by Aij, and here you have to write T. So this is obtained by, write this first column as first row. That means A11, A21 and A31. Now write down this second column as second row, and then write down this third column as third row, and this is called as the adjoint of A, denoted by this. By this way you have to find the adjoint of a matrix. This is our first example. Find the cofactors of the elements of this matrix. So first assume this matrix as A. First write down elements here, A11, A12 like this. Now write down elements here. This is -1, A12 is 2, A21 is -3 and this is 4. Now write down M11. This minor is obtained by deleting row and column. So this number is 4. By the same way M12, delete this row and column. This is -3. Now minor of this is 2. And minor of last element is, delete this row and column. What is remaining? This is -1. Now find cofactor. This is our formula. If the index is even number, then write down plus sign for this. So this you have to write as it is. Now here 1 plus 2 means index is odd. So that time write down minus sign, and again this -3. So this is +3. Now again here check 2 plus 1 is 3. So consider for this minus sign, M21 is 2. So write down here 2. And 2 plus 2 is 4, even number. So consider plus sign. So we will write this minor as it is. So these are the cofactors of given example. Let's solve this example. Find the matrix of cofactors of this. So first assume let A is equal to this matrix. Now find the minor and cofactor of all these elements. Our first element is 1. Now minor of this element is obtained by deleting this row and column in which 1 lies. Now minor of this 1 is obtained by deleting row and column in which this lies. And so this determinant is 1, 3 and 3 minus 5, and that is equal to and -14. And here one trick is there. This is our formula. If index is even number, then write down this minor here as it is. Now to write the cofactor of this element, now check here index 2 plus 1 3. This is odd number. So write down opposite of this. That means +6 is the cofactor of this. Now check cofactor of A22 element. Here 2 plus 2 means 4. This index is even. So write down this minor here as it is. Here index is 2 plus 3 means 5, which is odd. So you have to write here opposite number. So this is minus 3. Here 3 plus 3, 6. Index is even number. So write down this minor as it is. Now we will write matrix of cofactors. A11 minus 14, A12 minus 10 and minus 6. We will write these three number in first row. Minus 14, minus 10, minus 6. A21 is plus 6, then 22 is minus 5, minus 3. We will write this in second row. 6 minus 5 minus 3. And write down this minus 2, this minus 7, 1. This is the matrix of cofactors. Now here we have to find the adjoint of this matrix. So first we will assume A is equal to this matrix. Now we will find the minor and cofactor of each element. So our first element is A11, which is 2. So by deleting this row and column, we will get this number, which is minor of first element. And here for cofactor, index is even number, 1 plus 1 is 2, and then here you have to write this minor as it is. Now for this element, delete this row and column. So minor is this minus 3 and cofactor, now check the index, 2 plus 1, 3. This is odd number. So we have to write opposite of this. That means plus 3. Last element is 5. Now delete this row and this column. So we have number 2 is minor. And since this is even number, write down this as it is. Therefore, cofactor matrix we can write as first element is 5, then minus 3, and then 3, 2. And adjoint of A is transpose of this matrix. So we have written here T, and so we will write this first column as first row. So here I'll write 5, 3 and then write down this minus 3, 2. This is adjoint of given example. After finding minus, cofactors and adjoint of A, we can write the formula for inverse of A. If A is a non-singular square matrix, then A inverse is given by 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now check here, this determinant of A is in denominator, so this should not equal to 0, and so A must be a non-singular matrix. So we will use this formula and we will find A inverse by using adjoint method. This is our first example to find A inverse, and this is formula to find A inverse. So first we will find determinant of A, then we will find adjoint of A, and then we will substitute these two things in this formula. Therefore, determinant of A is equal to determinant of, and that is equal to this minus 2, and that is equal to 13, which is not equal to 0, and therefore A is non-singular matrix, and therefore A inverse exists. Now we will find adjoint of A. So for that we will find minor and cofactors. Therefore cofactors, even index, so 2. Odd index, so opposite means plus 3. Again odd index, opposite means -5, and again even index, so -1 as it is. So we will write cofactor matrix, which is 2, 3 and then -5, -1, and therefore adjoint of A means transpose of this. So we will write this first column as first row, then second column as second row. Now we will write formula for A inverse. Determinant of A is 13. So substitute here. So 1 upon 13 and write down this adjoint of A. By the same way, you can find A inverse of 3 by 3 matrix also. This is our second example to find A inverse, and first we will assume A is equal to given matrix. Then we will write formula for A inverse. A inverse is equal to, say this is first, and then we will find determinant of A and adjoint of A separately. So first find out determinant of A, that is equal to, so here first 1 and then 3 ones are -3 -0, then -0 into determinant is 0, and then third one plus 0, and so that is equal to -3, which is not equal to 0, and this is non-singular matrix, and therefore we can find A inverse. Cofactor of first element -3 as it is. Now this is odd, so here write down +3. Then this is even, write down -9. This is odd, but this is 0. Now again even, so as it is. This is odd, so this is -2. Again this is 0. Again this is 0. Last one is even, so this is as it is. In cofactor matrix, write down these 3 elements in first row. Then these 3 elements in second row, and then and now adjoint A means transpose of this matrix. So first column, then second column, write down as second row, then third column, write as third row, and therefore 1 upon this is -3, and write down this matrix, and in the last step multiply by this minus sign here. So we have 1 upon 3, which is A inverse, and find by the same way inverse of 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 matrices.